So as a voiceover artist, what is the daily routine? What are the daily habits that you need to get into? I would liken you to a physical athlete who has to warm up, and you are the vocal athlete who has to warm up. You have to eat well, rest well, and be prepared for your work. A warm-up is a switching on. It's like plugging the power in to power up your studio at home. It's getting you ready, both mentally and physically and vocally. Otherwise, you might be slow off the starting block. Otherwise, it might not go as well as it could go. You might not produce the best work. So you want to switch all systems on. A typical warm-up should include physical preparation, stretching, making sure you feel energized and warm, and releasing tension, primarily in the shoulders, the neck, and the jaw. You want to just spend a moment being mindful and thinking about your breath. Are you allowing the breath in and to drop down in your body, or is it a shallow breath high up in your shoulders? Breath isn't just about powering your voice. We know from research that breath reduces the numbers of hormones in your system that are stress-related, cortisol and adrenaline. You can dial those levels down just by doing a little bit of calm breathing, deep, slow breathing. And then the voice itself, warm up that keyboard, warm up that scale of notes, several scales of notes in your voice, sliding and gliding up and down gently on a hum. Maybe a little bit of chest tapping to enhance that. Just tapping your chest and making sure when you hear your voice, it's breaking up. You're growing your resonance that way. On into articulation then. All the exercises for lips and tongue and jaw and palate. Getting into those tongue twisters and having a bit of a limber. A bit of a switch on, a bit of a warm-up, because you're a vocal athlete, because the physical athlete would not venture to do their thing without a warm-up.